fans in the building because get some signals so. Some of me on that. When I see a Bounty Killer fan now we have side our building. We have me on that. When I see the Bounty Killer fans now we have our building so. Hey, boom boom. Hey, I just say now I got the money that come because I got to figure. Funny now, to the buffet. They don't want you one of them a time to turn them up for the fun. Hold on. The genocide fans in our building. What it up? Mr. the Columbus. But that's it. They don't know my story there. They don't know how far up. They don't know my story there. They just know my sound. They don't know how far up. You know the stadium. Hold them up, hold them up.
Kaboom! You know it's Warlord representing for Horain Freestyle Adventures. What am I say? Tell them fix them dentures. Kaboom!
Yo, freestyle one I deal with. So, year 2025 into year 2026, we have seen where Massacre has grown significantly in music. Massacre is a lyrical artist, so we give you hits after hits from now till the morning, but I'm not going to lie. Massacre is not one of the best on the stage from then, and I have watched this artist grow and I've watched him master the craft now. I've seen where Massacre has put so much effort in his live stage performance, and Massacre is definitely a force to reckon. Freestyle Nation, we just go and run that video and you see what I go and for yourself. I want massive them just leave a comment in the comment section and tell me what you think. Is Massacre the same as when he started out, or are you seeing improvement in his performance or what? Just let me know in the comment section and we have a discussion about it, because Massacre is definitely a bad artist. We're not going to go around that. So watch the video, guys. Leave a comment here what you have to say about the genocide, boss. Kaboom, we're there.
Because get some signals so. Some of me on that. When I see a Bounty Killer fan now we have side our building. We have me on that. When I see the Bounty Killer fans now we have our building so. Hey, boom boom. Hey, I just say now I got the money that come because I got to figure. Funny now, to the buffet. They don't want you one of them a time to turn them up for the fun. Because this is to get it when you're young. charity shame in a doctor. Nothing else over some more poor love. And I love she a send me money and ask me. And nobody don't know what I'm in a talk. Once me find another daughter, we go find the time to send a water. What they do for Shafi, pull up on. When I feel like down, she won't that. Pull up on the life here, up and if you want to see her for what to be. Can't live at the back of it. She me run me up and me come from it. Once I'm trying to make we're gonna set you over it. Serve on the way to come it. I got one I need a problem. Last night I bet you come it. Love the baby dance on the neck day. What we do? Can't never think I got it. Look up in the massacre. Look in my ground. Hold on. The genocide funds in our million. What it up? Mr. the Colombo. Hold on. I'm not thinking that thing when you're another man singer. I am not representing your God in the car. I want to try to the landslide. We are looking at Brooklyn. Hey, 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 this is the Colombo. Let him at the castle. Hey, let him at the castle. Amen. Say, bring that in the past. What's the thing? Pick up up. Get the castle door. But I put the picture when we don't stop. We got bad here, I'm watching that trick. When we go through, we bring it coming up. No, I see chat, then take that picture. Stop it, yeah, we won't cheat me rock. What is that? I'm open the shop. Touch it hard, touch it hard. Don't make me touch it hard. And I'm fucking shot. Get the land on me. What up? Balance in the beach here. All I will never forget where I come from, but this is something now, sir. When you jump like that in our crowd, balance it there. We can't talk to you, pull it up, pull it up. Come in and rush our play back the beach here. We are going no more struggles, you hear that? All I will know is that I'm finna get in the life. Now this is some signals right here. Balance the beach here. They don't know my story, they just know my. They don't know far. They don't know my story, they just they can't stop doing this. They are looking at Brooklyn. Hey, 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 you are saying that it's a lot, but it's all. It's in a Canada. Hey, hey, whenever I see somebody, whenever I sleep on the floor, what's on the line, to the inches. That's what just so we get to the fight. But I'm so I'm up, ready for the fighter. What a commission, the shadow spider. I don't need no one to teach you the most like her. I read that man, I'm first to better just like you. So when you see me, then you better don't bad mind. Not the work hard, but never bad mind, yo. All I know is that I'm a French in a life. And that's it. They don't know my story there. They don't know how far up. They don't know my story there. They just know my song. They don't know far. You know this stadium? Hold them up, hold them up. Shut it, Africa. Please. I'm going to tell you. I don't believe in themselves. Hold on. What did you do? Who best friend, yeah. Me say love in a extent, yeah. I know me go and none of them say. Me say feel like love for the first time. Me see your girl, me get the right vibe. The girl never know phone number. What do you talk about? What up? Really like to trust, really like to trust. I'm fine for us, I'm fine for us, yeah. I'm fine for us, yeah. What up? One people. What's the one on that? Any Jamaicans in the building? What up that? Anybody from Trinidad in the building? Anybody from Guyana in the building? Mr. Me are looking ya. Hey! They say the whole just never coming from us. We say it down. Nothing in a love. You're not from the victor. When I'm fly kicking and chesting on the top. One of these tempted at me. Oh, my yourself. Must we say it down. One of the victor. Simple as you see the dog. Never let it in shot. Take with him like they put a faster than a sprinter. More than you walk your dead. Must be cylinder, turning on your bed. Sugar up is on me, keep running on the air. Come and fuck you, grab everything that you fuck up. You find your body without you, acting out you. Must be cylinder, think your trend. All 3, 5, 7, everything and that. Run down from mountain and your skin higher. From them missing another man up. Turn it up, massive, hey. From them missing another man up. Every time, from them missing.
Watch out for your way target.
Where's the can't test it?
You feel like it, you.
Squeeze it. Call it, if you don't call it. One year, but the riches are new. So we target. See me family suffer class, we have chase, know that. Bring up a test to make it love lasting.